So let's talk about some simple word problems that can be solved using simple linear equations. In one of the related videos we talked about how to solve simple linear equations. Just to recap, a simple linear equation or a linear equation is an equation in one variable, which is the unknown quantity that we want to solve for, and it is usually denoted by x, but you can use whatever letter you want to represent it, but that's the unknown and we want to solve for that unknown based on the available information. And the way we approach such word problems is we identify the relevant information, write that as an equation, and solve that equation using the normal addition, subtraction, multiplication, division type operations. And one thing to note is that, so you are given an equation of the form, let's say left hand side equal to right hand side, then you can add, subtract, multiply and divide both sides of the equation by the same number or same variable, and the equality sign will still remain. The equation will remain an equation, the both sides will remain equal if you do these operations on the both of the sides with the same number or the same variable. We just have to make sure that the number we are dividing by is not 0. We don't divide any equation by 0 or any number by 0. So with this in mind, let's see if we can formulate an equation with the given information in this problem, and then let's see how to solve it. So I'm just going to make a square around this because this is important and useful information. Okay, so what are we given here? Mary is 4 years younger than her sister Jill. Next year the sum of their ages will be 26 years. How old is Mary? So typically the thing that we want to find, in this case Mary's age, we denote that by the letter x. So let's do that. So Mary's age, let's say, is x years. Therefore, based on the given information, I know that Jill's age is x plus 4 years, because Mary is 4 years younger than her sister Jill. So Jill's age is x plus 4. I don't know what is x, so I don't know what is x plus 4. But that's fine. That's how these equations work. So that's one piece of information I have. What is the next piece? So it says next year the sum of their ages will be 26 years. So Mary's age next year will be x plus 1 years, and Jill's age next year will be x plus 4 plus 1, which is x plus 5 years. And here is the additional piece of information, that the next year the sum of their ages, Mary's age plus Jill's age, will be 26 years. So I know that Mary's age next year, which is x plus 1, plus Jill's age next year is going to be x plus 5, is equal to 26 years. So let's collect the variables and constants. So x plus 1 plus x plus 5, I have this x and this x. This becomes 2x plus 5 plus 1 is 6, is equal to 26. So now we want to solve this. I'm going to put a star here. The star is the linear equation that we found. It has only constants, that is 6 and 26 and the 2, and there is only one single variable, that is x, that we want to solve for. So as we know, we want to isolate the variables and constants. So let's put all the variables on the left hand side and all the constants on the right hand side. The way to do that here is subtract 6 from both sides. So 2x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 26 minus 6. This plus 6 minus 6 is 0. So I get 2x is equal to 26 minus 6 is 20. So now let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. 2x divided by 2 is equal to 20 divided by 2. This is 1. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So I get x is equal to 10. So what is x though? X is Mary's age, right? So how old is Mary? So the final answer is Mary is 10 years old. That's it.